Bonsenkitchen Handheld Milk Frother, electric hand foamer blender for drink mixer, perfect for bulletproof coffee, matcha, hot chocolate, mini battery-operated milk whisk frother. Perfect milk frothing, high-speed rotation of food-safe stainless steel whisk and BPA-free shaft. This handheld milk frother is perfect for creating cramy foam within 15 to 20s for bulletproof coffee, latte, milkshake, hot chocolates and matcha powder as well as a good egg beater. Ergonomic and Portable Design, lightweight hand milk frother with an ergonomic handle makes frothing and creating delicate foam easily. Protable size is convenient to carry, makes sure you can enjoy your morining coffee although in traveling. Classic Never Outdate Style, the coffee milk mixer is styled in sliver and black color, perfectly fit with any modern kitchen. Ideal Thanksgiving gift or Christmast gift for your friends and family. Easy to use, simple one-touch switch with a powerful motor, but low noise level. Just put it into a container with liquid food up to approx 1/3 to froth. Please keep the temperature of the milk below 60 for perfect foam. Battery operated and 2 AA batteries included. Easy to clean, stainless steel shaft and wet with food-safe material is easy to be cleaned in mild soapy water with the whisk moving, or just put it into fresh running water. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.